Okay, so we've got, come on, open up. There we go. Okay, the white trim shown for the wall of the barn. The wall of the barn should be constructed so that AC. Oh, what do those two lines mean? What do you think?
Absolute value.
Not two of them. Parallel. Okay, so that means parallel. If you don't know that, you might want to write that in your notes. So, like, it's on there, so circle it and say means parallel. Okay, so right here. Okay, so AC is parallel to EG. So, it's constructed so EG, right here. I probably shouldn't use red. Can't see it, can ya? Red on a red barn doesn't work too well.
You can use blue, can't you? Blue?
Well, I'm going to have two sets, so.
Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Red it is.
Okay, evidently. I got green. There's blue. Okay, so EG is parallel to AC. So right here.
Do we write this?
This is on your picture. So if you want to label it on your picture, you may.
Is that what those
Okay.
arrows mean? Miss
Yes,
Smith?
those arrows mean parallel.
Oh, okay. Because I was like, so on today's assignment that you gave us, I was doing it in Miss Turner's room, and so I asked a dumb question, and she's like, "Yeah, that means that they're parallel." I was like,
Yep.
"Oh."
Wait, EG parallel to
I
AC.
tried to erase it though.
No, AC is, yes, to EG, yes. And then JA is parallel to HB. So this time we're going to put not one, but two. My thing needs recalibrated. So I have two sets of parallel lines, so that gives me some transversals I can use, right? And then I've got all of my names that I can use as well. So let's see. Oh, and it also says JC is parallel to KG. So KG
Would it be
and
KG?
what? JC. Okay, so it's right here. So we need 3 on that one, right? Okay, so all those are parallel. So that gives us a lot of good stuff, doesn't it? What should the measure of 1 and the measure of 3 be?
Don't you have to use that formula?
No. We just have to use all of our corresponding vertical, alternate exterior, alternate interior, and our same side interior. Those are the 5 we have, right? So I do know that we have 68, yes?
Yeah.
Now, we should realize that I can extend these lines further, can't I? So that would make AC being a transversal of JA and HB. So this is a transversal right here. So I got to think about that. So if I know that this angle is 68 right here, what does that make 1?
180.
No.
What's the relationship between 68 and 1?
Supplementary.
Why?
Or
They are supplementary. Why? Because they're what kind of an angle pair?
The same side.
They're same side interior, correct?
Yeah.
They're the same side of this transversal, and then their interior of these two parallel lines. Okay, so they're same, so angle 1 would be 180 minus what?
Minus 68.
Minus 68 and not equals again. My pen is really being wacky. So it'd be what?
112.
112. Yep, I go for that. 112. And what relationship did I use?
That third.
Same.
Side interior.
Side, interior, and I expect to see that today again. I can't spell today. Interior. Okay, so same side interior. So now what is angle 3?
Wouldn't it be the same as?
Yeah, it'd be.
Well, it'd be the same as F, yes? So we need to figure out F.
Wouldn't F and 1 be supplementary?
F and 1 would be their same side interiors, so they would be supplementary, so it would be what?
68.
68.
And 3 is vertical, so 3 would be 68.
And 3 is vertical, so it would also be 68. And so angle 3 is 68 by what?
Vertical.
Vertical with what?
Or what do you want?
Vertical with, vertical with angle F.
Yeah. And vertical with angle F. Now it's too small. I'm forgetting, I just wrote vertex a million times last period, so I'm wanting to write vertex. With F. But how did we get F?
Because it was vertical from A, I think.
Yeah, supplementary.
It's supplementary to angle,
Angle 1.
angle 1. Because the same side interior, right? Okay, so I want us to be able to make all those connections. So now we're going to use the same picture and the same, like they're parallel, but we're not going to use, they're going to tell me something else. Okay, so I'm going to erase the 68. So down here it says if angle, the measure of angle EJF is 56. So EJF, where would that be?
Right.
EJF, right here, is 56. Okay. Find the measure of FHK. So FHK. So we want this? Okay. So remember this parallel line extends, yes? So, let's see.
Well,
We might have to find a bunch of things before we find one thing, right?
yeah. Well, the angle next to angle 3 with the window, that angle, that
This-
would be 56 because that's vertical. Or no, never
No.
mind. Because that's different.
That's not. Well, if I knew this was 56 here,
Well, the other one is 56 because it's a triangle that's all the same height.
how do you know?
Because that's exactly what it looks like.
But we can't trust that. Good try. Good try. We know that this right here, yes?
Yep.
And this right here, those are parallel. So maybe we can,
Would you have to take 180 minus 56 to find that angle next to 56? Or
to get this one.
Yeah.
180,
181 line, you know. Are they complementary?
we don't know.
Same side interior.
Well, we've got this extra stuff out here. Can we use it?
Yeah, but one,
So I know this is 56, so I know what,
this 56.
that's 56, yes.
This is vertical.
I know this whole angle is what?
One.
It would be supplementary to that, correct? Because it's a straight angle.
Yeah.
So 180
Minus
minus 56 124?
Yeah.
So if this is 124, that means this has to be what?
Supplementary.
So that has to be 56. And this would be same side interior, yes?
Yeah.
So this is also what?
124.
124. Because it's same side interior with 56, which is same side interior with this, which is supplementary with this. So do I see your work here by doing this picture?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you have to draw the barn to do this picture?
Yes.
No.
No.
Why wouldn't you draw
You
the
had to
bar?
add more lines.
You had to add, actually, we had to extend more lines, didn't we?
Make a
Okay.
bigger barn.
So today you might have to look a little further for what you're doing, but you still have to tell me what's going on.
Sure.
Yes. Okay. Any questions? It's a puzzle. Drawing pictures will help, correct? Drawing the transversals on your paper will help you out. So that's all we got for today. So the rest of